electric mobility, ride-sharing, new age technologies, ever more stringent regulations. Just some of the disruptions the automotive industry is currently facing. Although they come with challenges, they are creating exciting new opportunities, with one thing for certain: the industry as we know it is changing forever, which means you need an ERP solution from a company with a profound understanding of the challenges your company faces on a daily basis. With SYSPRO ERP for Automotive Parts and Accessories, our fit-for-purpose solutions lower operating expenses, speed up delivery times, and improve compliance, while increasing transparency and traceability throughout the product lifecycle. SYSPRO's Manufacturing Operations Management offers a unique level of delivery, cost, and quality control for job shop, batch production, production line, and mixed mode environments, all from one single platform. The integrity and reliability of product design data is controlled through the rich functionality of SYSPRO's bill of materials and engineering change control modules, while SYSPRO's powerful material requirements planning features enable accurate, just-in-time based materials replenishment. SYSPRO provides streamlined automated processes for authorizing and tracking customer returns, warranty claims, and complaints. The power of SYSPRO's returns automation is further enhanced by seamless integration with its serial tracking and lot traceability capabilities. SYSPRO provides tools to track and evaluate forecasts, as well as to identify the possible causes of forecast errors. SYSPRO Inventory Optimization and Material Requirements Planning modules help reduce forecast errors, manage seasonality, and optimize inventories to meet customer service targets, while enabling accurate obsolescence provisioning, product rationalization programs, and targeted promotions on slow-moving and end-of-life stocks. And finally, SYSPRO Customer Complaints provides a dedicated expert, thus further reducing time and effort. Isn't it time you discovered how SYSPRO ERP can help drive your company forward? Say yes to SYSPRO ERP for Automotive Parts and Accessories.